Welcome back to John Kleis Car. My name is Max, going to give you a quick tour around. This had a faulty radio in it. We fitted a new KENWOOD DMX8021DABS for wireless CarPlay. So here we have the KENWOOD DMX8021DABS all fitted into the dashboard. Now we've gone for a gloss black fascia on this one. As per the customer's request, he's got some gloss black bits on the steering wheel, top of the gear stick, and yeah, we got matte black option as well if you prefer that, but I have to say the gloss look on the radio, it does suit it quite nicely. Now that's what the factory head unit was beforehand. Now this has gone faulty, extremely common. We do see a lot of them come in where this is fitted in a lot of the VW range, from Beetles, Golfs, the Transporters and Amaroks. The touchscreen stopped working on it. It can be repaired, it still costs quite a bit of money. You know, you can do this upgrade and you can just lift yourself up to date really with what all the later cars have. A much nicer display, the wireless Apple CarPlay, and yeah, DAB. It's got HDMI on it as well if you wanted to put a Fire Stick into it. And yeah, and you got the option to add reverse cameras quite easily, so stick it into reverse. That's the view we got from the reverse camera. We've got parking sensor overlay on the right hand side here, so factory parking sensors integrate into this radio nice and properly, which will give you a bit of an overlay on that map there of when you're a bit close to said objects when you're reversing around. As you can see, we can see the bottom of the bumper in the image there, so when he's got his tow bar hooked up, he will be able to see where he is. Take out reverse, it will just go back to your parking sensors, and as we drive off, they will just go off the screen like factory. So this is the Apple CarPlay, real nice responsive screen. We love the KENWOOD DMX8021 head unit. It's also got a 3-year warranty when fitted by KENWOOD's Pro install dealers. But yeah, one of the most popular systems we do. It has everything you need from a car radio. It's got DAB, which we're using the factory DAB antennas. Keeps working with the factory steering wheel control as well for adjusting your volume, skipping tracks, and yeah. USB we've just actually put into this has USB-C, the newer KENWOOD. This customer decided to just have it fitted into the factory location. We can do other things, so obviously we can talk about that when we're speccing up your system.